What if I told you you could hide an entire message inside a simple image and no one would ever know? No strange encrypted files, no suspicious links, just a normal photo that secretly carries a hidden story. Today, I'll show you how that's possible using a tool called Steghide. But first, let's start with a short story because this story will make everything make sense. Now imagine two sisters, Mary and Zoe. Zoe is in her third year at X University and Mary, her older sister, just graduated and is back home with their mom. A few weeks ago, Mary lost her smartphone and she hasn't gotten a new one yet, so the only way she can really talk to Zoe is through their mom's computer, and that's tricky because their mom uses it most of the time. So whenever Zoe wants to chat, she just sends her mom a quick message like, "Hey, can Mary check the PC for a second?" Over time, the sisters got creative. They started sending images like funny selfies, random pictures, and little inside jokes only they would understand. But this time, it's different. Zoe has something serious to share. She is pregnant. And she really needs an advice from her big sister. She can't just send a text, her mom might see it, right? So Zoe comes up with an idea. She decides to hide a secret inside a photo that looks completely normal but holds a hidden message only Mary can find. And that's exactly what we're going to see today, how Zoe could do it using a tool called Steghide. Now let's look into what is steganography. What Zoe is doing is called steganography, the art of hiding information inside another file, like an image or an audio clip. It's like writing a secret message with invisible ink. The message is there, but the only person who knows the trick can reveal it. Unlike encryption where the data looks scrambled or suspicious, steganography keeps everything looking perfectly normal. Now, let's see how it actually works. Alright, to follow along, we'll be using a free tool called Steghide. Since I'm on Windows, let me show you exactly how to get it. First, open your browser and type in Steghide space SourceForge. Click enter. Click on the first result and that will take you straight to the Steghide page. On the left side, you see a download option. Click that. Now choose the Windows package. And now the download should start automatically. If you're using Linux or Mac, don't worry, you can still install it through your package manager, but for this tutorial we'll keep it simple and stick with Windows. Once it's finished downloading, open your downloads folder. You should see a zip file. I'll copy it over to my desktop just to make things easier to follow. Alright, now that we have downloaded the zip file, let's go ahead and extract it. I'll right click on it and choose extract here and wait a second while it finishes. Once that's done, open the new folder that appears. Inside, you'll see a Steghide file. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator. That will install Steghide on your system. Now, we just need to make sure Windows know where to find it. And for that, we'll add it to the path environment variable. So, open the Windows search bar and type environment variables. You should see an option that says edit the system's environment variables. Go ahead and click on it. A new window called Systems Properties will pop up. Click on the Advanced tab if it's not already selected, and then at the bottom, click the Environment Variables button. In the next window, look for the section called System Variables. Scroll down until you see one named Path, then click Edit. Another window will open. Here click New and navigate to the folder where Steghide was installed. In my case, I have already added it. As you can see, it's right here. Once you have added the path, click OK on all the open windows to save your changes. And that's it. Steghide is now ready to use from any command prompt window. Once that's done, now it's time for Zoe to hide a secret message. She clicks on the search bar and types Notepad, then opens it. Inside she types, "Hey Mary, please don't tell mom yet. I think I'm pregnant. I just need someone to talk to." And she saves the file as a message.txt. That's the note she wants to keep private. Next, Zoe opens a terminal or the command prompt to check if Steghide is installed. She types in Steghide -- version. And there it is. Steghide is available and ready to use. And now comes the funny part. Zoe has a picture called sunset.jpg, just a normal photo she took a few days ago. She wants to hide a secret message inside it. To do that, she opens the command prompt and types Steghide space embed space -cf space sunset.jpg space -ef space message.txt space -p space hide. Now, let me explain what each part does. The -cf is the cover file, the image that will hide the data. The -ef is the embedded file, the message we are hiding. The -p is the passphrase, the secret password only Zoe and Mary know. She then presses enter, and Steghide quietly does this work. The message is now hidden inside the picture, but the image still looks completely normal. As you can see, no changes, no warnings, nothing suspicious at all. It's just a regular photo that now carries a secret only Mary can find. Alright, now Zoe just needs to send the image to Mary. Since Mary doesn't have a phone right now, the only way to reach her is through their mom's computer. So Zoe opens Gmail and writes a quick message to her mom. "Hey mom, can Mary check this image when she gets a chance? You know, the one we talked about last weekend." Then she attaches the sunset JPG file, takes a deep breath, and clicks send. To anyone else, it looks like a normal image, nothing unusual. But for Mary, it's something more, a private note from her sister, hidden safely inside the image, waiting to be unlocked with their secret password, hide. A few hours later, Mary finally gets a chance to use the computer. She opens Zoe's email and sees the image called sunset.jpg. It looks completely normal, just another image from her sister, but Mary knows better. She saves the image to her desktop and opens the command prompt. She then types Steghide space extract space -sf space sunset.jpg. Then Steghide asks for the passphrase. Mary smiles. She already knows it. She types hide and presses enter. A moment later, Steghide finishes and quietly presses a new file on her desktop, as you can see, message.txt. Then Mary double clicks on it and there it is, the message from her sister Zoe. She pauses for a moment, looking at the screen. The image looked so ordinary, yet inside it carried something deeply personal, and that's the quiet magic of steganography, keeping private things private even when they are hiding in plain sight. So, you might be wondering, where would you even use something like Steghide in real life? Well, journalists, activists, even researchers use it to keep sensitive information safe, like secret messages, passwords, or important files. Some even hide watermarks in images to prove ownership or protect their work. But here's the thing, just be careful. Only use it for the right reasons. Keep it safe and follow the law. Steghide is powerful, but it's not a tool for trouble. Think of it as a way to protect your privacy and not to break the rules. Well, and that's how Mary and Zoe shared a secret safely right inside a normal image. Steghide makes it easy to hide messages, but just be careful and use it wisely. If you enjoyed this story, give it a like and subscribe for more fun tutorials. Thanks for watching and bye bye.